Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. All my edos, I still bring this our news. Can not be say the news they sell for me. Whether na one or two people, this particular news still gets to see something. Okay, I first bring this particular video when they change our deputy Shaibu office to other place. My people, some people power can make use of them to do another things. I don't really know. Those people, you guys ask us to vote for you, to work for us, but you guys got there now fighting. Why this power is making use of our governor? Yes. So then let me talk to you, governor. Look at what Lagos governor is doing. Look at the set up Lagos state. Look at the state of Lagos. It's the same Nigeria. But each state different. Every state different. Our governor, Obaseki, you have lived in America for many years. You see America states. When people will say 4+4 Ogba, Shomole make use of you. I say, oh, I was also want you to win. So that if you can bring those method when America they are using, if you can bring it to Edo. Today, Oshomole is not your, politics system. Oshomole is not in your office. Oshomole is not any close to you. What have you delivered? Where is your work? What have you done to Edo? What did you do? What till you don't do? May I speak my do for you, my English for you? Edo English. What till you don't do for Ox? See Lagos governor. See work when you don't they do. See train. You are there fighting your deputy. Edo governor Obaseki, what are you doing? Why fighting your fellow, workers? The rights you have, the same rights deputy have. Look, Lagos State, when some people come online, start backing. You supposed to back your state government, your state governor. The way I'm backing my state governor now. Obaseki. Wait till you don't do give us. The brain, when I think, say, you get for America, you want to use and deliver to us. That is now fight. How to bring your deputy down. That is the brain you collect from America to come and give us with the Edo state. We the Edo put you there. We not put you there to use your power to oppress our fellow citizens of Edo. If you come under my comment section, you say, use this your power to react good. You go and use your power to react the way you know say you react. If this one not be big slap to you guys. I never see any social media when they voice, when they cry, when they shout, say, wait till Edo governor they do. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki is getting too much for you. If nobody tell you, me the Naija daughter will tell you, it's getting too much for you. People have been there. Lucky Beledion have been there. See they do now. You now say me we vote for now. Now reach they go they fight your fellow deputy. Who not supposed to embrace you now self. Then now they work things smoothly. Governor Obaseki, that power will still remove for your hand. You will regret all those things. When you guys are on power, you will think the whole world is upon your, is in fact on top of your hand. You will think the whole world is on top of your hand. You don't know there is time that power they will pull it out. You will become a rat that fall inside the water. That's how you guys always are. I see many Nigeria leaders, Nigeria politics. I see una finish. When una go dead, una go dey buga. But when they go pull the power out of na hand, if you see them come across them, you will say, wow, you humble like this. I don't know if na demon now they make use of now. They vote you there. You move your deputy out of the same office you guys supposed to belong. You move it out. The guy respects. He accepts it. And he follow your instruction. You still go and lock that gate. Is it any leader can carry this man, place this man to where he belongs, to tell him he's just a common governor? I call you common. Come and do nothing. You can't do me nothing. You can't do me nothing. I tell you, you can't do me nothing. It's my state. I need good for my state. You are serving us. You ask us you want to work for us. Not you want to use your power to bring us down. What is that? If you have pain, something that is itching you in your house, leave it. When coming to work, come. like you want to serve your country, you want to serve your land. Anything that is, as I'm here now, you don't know. Just now, I have headache, kata, at least weather, our weather is. But the moment I start my work, I bring my passion will pull out. That is how people work. If you know you don't have passion, you are there to impress the citizen of your state. Pull out. May God pull you out. The next government, the next governor, I'm not saying government, the next governor that he wants to rule Edo, God in heaven, if he will embark on this kind of act, Governor Obaseki, he's doing, don't let him win. We need good people who have good hearts. Look, Lagos State. Lagos State is turning to small London. Go and look Lagos State. It's a big shame to you guys. Go and look Lagos State. You are there fighting your fellow deputy. Obaseki, I call you. Me, the Naija Daughter, I call you. That is what good for Shaibu. Never you bite hand that fed you before. You see? You guys cook and fight the Shomole. Today, okay, you guys are using teeth to chop yourself. But this insult, this shame is getting too much. You humiliate him. The day when they celebrate Edo, you humiliate him. You humiliate him in the party. May he not enter. You pull him out of the office. It's not okay for you. You put him in one office. The same you still lock the office. Be very careful. They say if your body too pepper you, may you not go fall past your enemy. At least when body pepper you small, still patient. I'm sorry, my people. I need to run for those our governor. They know they do well. They mezebu. Nigeria citizens they vex. We they vex. Look road. Look at erosion. One carry you come out that day. Erosion. Look, your fellow governor, Lagos. Imitate our fellow human being. Don't imitate bad. Imitate good. Apply it to yourself. Apply it to your state. Apply it to your country. Don't copy bad thing and take it to close to your area. Pull it out. No. Big slap to Edo citizen who vote for this man, including me. Yes, I was once said 4 + 4 over. But today he beat us. No work, no deliver. Common road. Now this road na federal. I think your fellow governor send you one signal. Say you can do it. Go and do it. Ogama, fighting your fellow deputy. Fighting your deputy. Who all of us vote both of you there. And today you are fighting him. May God have mercy on you. Let's watch. For the beginning of the video, they silent the conversation. But at the end, the man, oh God, imagine that my papa or my brother, neither they humiliate like this. This is a big slap. True, let's tell ourselves the truth. Edo, you can say not concern me, concern you. Now big shame to us. Now people, when we vote, put for there, may they come work. Now that they mezebu, like say tomorrow, not this so. Let's listen to them, my people, before I call it today. I vex, like I said,
I've come office now, and the gate is locked. I am padlocking the gate thing. They padlock the gate. I'm padlocking the gate thing, the chain and key. Both the outer gate and the inner one, they padlock and chain it. The governor said they should lock it. That they are using the office for something else. I have not moved to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter to move to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter. So if governor say I've moved, I have not moved. I have not moved. The governor did not give me letter. Nobody has given me letter to move. So how will I move out of my office? I'm here now, the gate is locked. I'm padlocked. So maybe, I don't know. So I call the governor, is not picking. So you call the governor that I didn't move because I didn't get any letter to move. Only the civil servant got letter to move. I'm told that the civil servant were given letter from the office of HOS to move out of this place. But me, I didn't get any letter to move. So I'm here. They should come and open the gate, please. And call the governor that I'm at the gate. They should please come and open the gate.
you guys watch. It touched me because some of human being, the way they mess people up, sometimes we thank God though. Always, in fact, we human being, every day we need to be thanking God that our life, He doesn't hand over our life to human being to who. If not, this world, in fact, people for don't live, people for don't go. Just little power, Obaseki, Governor Obaseki, you get. Look at the way you humiliate your fellow human being. There's some people who have conscience at all. You said he's using the office for something else. It doesn't concern you. If it is true, he's using the office for something else. That is the office you give him. He's the office. Now the office. Now the office of the deputy, where you put him. You think he will reject when you put him out. He respects you and he follow destruction. No, he not do you. The thing enter your bone marrow. See, they pepper you. It still they pepper you. Who they pursue me? Say, suffer you. Maybe you don't go jump our parks. Maybe you don't go jump enter your grave early. You wish me bad. May the bad not go happen to you. The way you are mixing your deputy up like this. Remember, you have brother, you have children, you have sister, you have siblings. Somebody is messing them up like this, humiliating them like this. How you will feel? You will feel good? You will feel good? I pity you. Let any Edo come under my comment section, say, he do it well. Oh, I don't have now that respect. Now they blasted at your mouth. If you now they worship now governor, we put them there for them to serve us. Look, the humiliation he's humiliated this guy. Nobody say the guy only pure. Nobody say our deputy. In fact, he pure 100%. But when you see the truth, you're supposed to speak. This is getting too much. The power is turning our governor heads. Remember that power, very soon they will pull it out. They will pull it out like this. Your own is learning. Go and ask Lucky Beledion. The bike you buy, which day for here? Lucky Beledion do all those things parts. You are learning. You be learner. Lucky Beledion share bike for each ward. Go and count how many wards inside Edo State. We have 18 local governments. But Lucky Beledion share bike for each ward chairman. Ward. Inside Onwa East. Do you know how many wards we have inside Onwa East? Each chairman got bike. How many bike you distribute that day? You think you can use that to those things to brainwash people's head? Any old no. I pity people who will vote this election. Vote wisely. I know one here say they ring. No. You guys should vote wisely. Because the moment you guys vote finish, each ward, they can't wait till they vote. Then they can't, they jot them down. They'll go submit them to their council. No, now vote wisely. This one a big shame to Edo. Big slap to Edo. Who will put it there? I think now they watch video of Lagos train. I will put them. As no now this Lagos. Our governor they fight themselves. My people, I say me I bring her to them. Say I meet tonight my next video. Yes, I think now see they feel like they worry me. But when I start my work, the passion will come out. Woy. It pay me, I feel sad. Tears almost fall from my eyes. You know, I don't like when some people use their power to break. What of something can happen to you now? Which you don't possibly. You should take life easy. Nobody, know to know you. Nobody know they will break it. Like the video, share your brother, tell your sister that our Edo is a
nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.